To add window animation scale in quick settings developer tiles in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find developer options, and then tap developer options. Scroll down developer options screen, and then tap quick settings developer tiles. And then to add window animation scale on quick settings developer tiles, tap switch until blue, or to remove, tap switch until white. And then you can see Windows animation scale on quick settings. Swipe screen, swipe notification screen, swipe the notification screen, and then you can see window animation scale icon here. And when you enable, when you tap until blue, you enable it, and to disable, tap switch until icon until gray, or to remove, tap window animation scale, switch until white, and then you cannot see in quick settings. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.